Welcome back to Sexual Responding Difficulties Week 1. Today I'll be talking about orgasmic disorder, but first let me define what an orgasm is. An orgasm is a feeling of intense physical pleasure and release of tension accompanied by involuntary rhythmic contractions of your pelvic floor muscles. With that being said, orgasmic disorder, also known as anorgasmia, is when a female is unable to reach an orgasm even with more than enough sexual stimulation. There are three types of anorgasmia, which include primary, secondary, and situational. Primary anorgasmia is when the woman has never experienced an orgasm. Secondary anorgasmia is when the woman has experienced an orgasm before, but due to something happen, she can no longer experience them. And situational anorgasmia is when the female is only able to experience an orgasm during certain situations, such as when she's only having oral sex or when she's masturbating.